the hierarchy of classification, and the idea of biological grouping. In recent times, researchers like Whitaker and Weiss have attempted the classification of all of life present on Earth. This is clearly a daunting task given the sheer variety of forms and their relationships to each other. But our growing understanding of physiology and anatomy has helped greatly in making the challenge much more tractable. Based on keeping the most general groupings, which is based on the most primitive shared basal traits at the top of the hierarchy, and keeping the more derived traits that evolved later in progressively lower levels, we have developed an order of precedence in the classification of any organism. And the order is as follows. We start with kingdom at the top, followed by phylum, followed by class, followed by order, followed by family, followed by genus, and finally we come to the lowest level, which is species. Thus, the most basic similarities are used to place the organisms in the largest groupings. This is then followed by an examination of more derived or superficial traits. This allows us to differentiate between organisms, putting them in progressively smaller and smaller groupings. We shall now look at the 5 groups or kingdoms of Whitaker's classification in the next section.